hyperlink page to page using MS Office Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make table of content using hyperlink. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, I want to create table of content page. Suppose chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and I am taking chapter 1 page, and inside chapter 1 I'm writing some text, and I am copying chapter 1 and taking blank page and pasting chapter 1, and again taking blank page and pasting chapter 1 again, and it will be chapter 3, and middle one will be chapter 2. I have selected chapter 1 and clicking bookmark inside insert tab, and its name I'm giving chapter 1 and adding to bookmark. Again going to chapter 2 and bookmark name, add chapter 2 and add. Again going to chapter 3, bookmark, naming it to chapter 3 and add. Now I have to do hyperlink. This chapter 1 is in page number 2, so I am doing a hyperlink and click on bookmark and click on chapter 1. Okay. Again going to chapter 2 section. It is in page number 3. Hyperlink, bookmark, chapter 2. Okay. Again okay. And for chapter 3, it is in page number 4. Hyperlink, bookmarks, chapter 3. Okay. Now I have to press and hold Ctrl key and click on chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.